Translation at Aston University prepares you for a career in the language industries in general, so you have a diversity and a wide array of possibilities to work as a professional. In our classes, we combine different types of activities. So students have individual tasks that they can perform by themselves. We also have group work, we have seminars where we discuss all these situations. We talk about translation technologies in context, and we take a critical approach to translation technologies. So students have the opportunity not only to do translations, which they do, but also to talk about translation, to discuss translation in a wider context.
I've really enjoyed the translation technology modules. It actually feels like you're doing something that has an effect on things. So we sort of learn about things like translation memories and term bases and like translation tools, like both online and like the major ones like SDL Trados. I think in conjunction with the software that we've learned, certainly there's been a lot of emphasis on this is how you will have to act in a business environment.
Our students benefit from high calibre business teaching from our colleagues in the well-renowned Aston Business School.
With a couple of the modules that were specifically focused on business and employability, that has completely blown my expectations out of the water, because I didn't expect it to be so practical, essentially, in comparison certainly to some of the theoretical things I've done before.
Currently, we also include a placement module in which our students have the support of our careers and placement office to prepare their CV and a career plan, and then go on to complete a real-life placement.
They get real hands-on experience working in a translation environment or a professional language environment. We've had students that will work as a translator. We've had students that will go and do placements for the European Union. Also, we have our local partners around Birmingham.
Project management is something that I'm actually looking to go and do onwards from this, which I have been successful in securing both a master's internship and potentially a job afterwards. I think my big thing about the internship was I wanted to put my theory into practice, and taking this internship has allowed me to do that. There are things in my current work that I do that I have done step for step at Aston.
If you're thinking of studying translation at Aston University, go for it.
The course has surpassed my expectations, I would say. I think it's a really worthwhile investment, and it's definitely helped me get to where I want to be.